Hi, my name is Hilary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland. And I am fully representing as a librarian here because I am wearing my Dewey Decimal System dress today. Here we go. Yes, it's glorious. It even has pockets. We actually don't use Dewey Decimal at SUNY Cortland. We use Library of Congress, as most academic libraries do, but I've yet to find a Library of Congress dress. Anyway, I am the library's liaison to the sciences that live in Bowers. So chemistry, geology, physics, and biology. So if in your classes you need help finding sources, you need for your papers, you need help citing your sources, you can't figure out if something is a viable source, you can feel free to reach out to me and we can figure it out together. Today, you are going to be doing a tutorial for me that teaches you all about the library and our services and what we have to offer. And then when you're done, you get to do a virtual escape room, except instead of an escape room, you're escaping the library. Whee! No, I swear it's actually fun. So have fun with this and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'll check in with you guys a little bit later with another video from me. But for now, have fun and enjoy.